everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make bang bang shrimp. So let's get started with the video. We're gonna begin by making the sauce. In a large bowl, add a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of Thai sweet chili sauce, and a teaspoon of sriracha. Mix everything until well combined. You can add more sriracha, it really depends on how spicy you want your sauce to be. When you're finished, set your sauce to the side. Now we're going to chop up some green onions. When you're finished, set your green onions to the side. Next, in a bowl, add 1 cup of rice. Then, wash your rice. Once you've finished washing your rice, place your rice in a rice cooker and then add 1½ cups of water. Then just cook your rice. Once your rice is finished cooking, set it to the side. Next, peel and devein medium-sized shrimp. When you're finished, place your shrimp in a bowl. Then add a half a cup of buttermilk into the bowl. Make sure your shrimp are well coated in the buttermilk and then set the bowl to the side. In another bowl or dish, add 3/4 cup of cornstarch. Then add pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and Creole Seasoning. Mix your seasonings into the cornstarch until everything is well combined. Take your shrimp coated in buttermilk out of the bowl and then place it in your cornstarch mixture. Now, coat your shrimp in the cornstarch. Shake off any excess cornstarch and then set it to the side. Now repeat this process until you run out of shrimp. When you've finished coating your shrimp, you can go ahead and start frying them. Pour vegetable oil into a deep fryer or a pot. Then heat your oil to 375 degrees. Once your oil is nice and hot, go ahead and fry your shrimp. By the way, if you don't want to deep fry your shrimp, you can always pan fry your shrimp in 2 to 3 inches of oil for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Let your shrimp fry for about 5 minutes or until they start bubbling lightly. Then take them out and place them on a paper towel covered plate. After that, place your shrimp into a bowl. Then add the sauce we made before. Now coat your shrimp in the sauce. I also added a bit more sriracha sauce. When you're finished, set your shrimp to the side. On a plate, add some lettuce. Then add your rice. After that, add your bang bang shrimp on top. And finally, add your green onions. Then you're all finished. And this is the final product. The bang bang shrimp was really good. It tasted similar to the bang bang shrimp they serve at Bonefish. I used to eat the bang bang shrimp at Bonefish all the time. So it was really cool getting to make one of my favorite dishes from that restaurant. I believe the shrimp would have came out a bit darker if I had pan fried it, but I also feel like it was easier to deep fry it because I didn't have to watch it and flip it and stuff. So the choice is yours if you want to deep fry it or pan fry it. I believe either way the shrimp will come out delicious. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!